Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to add a logo in Google Forms. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to go and be opening up the official Google Forms website right here, docs.google.com/forms. This is going to be the main page that you want to open up. So once you have opened it up, you'll be greeted by the home page right here, where in the upper right corner we can get started with logging in. So if you do not already have an account, what you can do is go ahead and sign up for one, and if you have one, just log in normally to your Google account. And once you have done that, now we can get started. So this is going to be the home page where we can get started. As you can see, we can create a new form. So if we want to add the logo, what we can do is go ahead and first open up our form. You can click the blank option right here if you want to go and create a new form. Here you can go ahead and get started with giving your form a name. You can give it a description, input questions, and so on. I have already created my form, so here it is. I'm going to open it up. This is my tutorial form for a video where I have my question, I can input some answers, and so on. And now I can get started with adding a logo. So how do you add a logo to your Google form? It's very easy, and basically guys, all you need to do to add a logo is just use the add image option. This option right here, the right side of the screen, as you can see, this is the option to add an image. It's going to enable you to add any kind of image that you want to your Google form. So what you can do is save your logo either to your Google Drive or to your PC, doesn't matter, save it wherever you want. After that, click the add image option. By clicking add image, is going to enable you to select that logo, and then you can input it into your header or into your questions wherever you want. Wherever you want to input your logo, you'll be able to do so with the add image option right here, because Google Forms has not implemented a direct way for adding logos. So this is the option that you have that you can make use of. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.